Welcome to Hot Wheels for You.
This is the Hot Wheels for You Hot Wheels Treasure Hunt Giveaway. That's right. In order to promote this channel, we will be giving away a Hot Wheels treasure hunt car from our collection every month until they are all gone. We have a bunch of them, so this might take a while. The car to be given away this month is the Hot Wheels 35th Anniversary Treasure Hunt Muscle Tone, released in 2003. The Treasure Hunt Muscle Tone features a black paint job with flamed hood and sides, tinted windshields, and gold-plated underbody and wheels. This car is sometimes considered to be a super treasure hunt because it sports real rider rubber tires. And it also features the Hot Wheels Treasure Hunt Tampo on its roof. The car is mint, unopened, on an excellent condition card and comes in a Protect Pack for safe ship and storage. This car will be given away on this channel in a random drawing and the winner announced in a YouTube video on or around May 1st, 2021. Here's what you must do for a chance to win. Subscribe to Hot Wheels for You YouTube. Like this video and leave this comment. I want to win the Hot Wheels for You Treasure Hunt giveaway. That's all you have to do for a chance to win. This is an international drawing. The prize will ship to anywhere that USPS delivers. The prize must be claimed within 30 days of drawing end or be forfeited for use in future drawings. Good luck! And don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss a single video or giveaway from Hot Wheels for You. Thanks for watching Hot Wheels for You YouTube.